Governor Gavin Newsom has signed into law Senate Bill 1524, a pivotal measure that grants California restaurants and bars the continued ability to levy service fees, healthcare surcharges, and similar costs, provided they are clearly disclosed to patrons. This legislative move comes as a relief to many in the hospitality industry, exempting them from the stringent provisions of Senate Bill 478, which targets concealed charges in sectors like ticketing and hospitality services. Under SB 1524, restaurants and bars are mandated to conspicuously display any additional fees on menus, advertisements, or other customer-facing materials. This transparency aims to prevent surprises for diners when they receive their bills, aligning with efforts to empower consumers with clear information about the total cost of dining out. The debate surrounding these fees has been contentious, with proponents arguing that such charges are necessary to support equitable wages across restaurant staff and to fund essential benefits like healthcare. Critics, however, including consumer advocacy groups, contend that these fees can be misleading and complicate price comparisons for consumers. Supporters of SB 1524, which received unanimous approval in both the State Assembly and Senate, emphasize its role in allowing restaurants to maintain operational stability without resorting to across-the-board price hikes. This approach is seen as crucial amid ongoing economic challenges and the pressures of rising inflation. The law's passage marks a compromise between the interests of businesses seeking financial stability and consumer advocates pushing for clarity and fairness in pricing. It reflects ongoing efforts in California to balance regulatory oversight with the needs of the hospitality industry, which has faced significant disruptions and closures in recent years. As SB 1524 takes effect, stakeholders will be closely watching its implementation, gauging its impact on consumer behavior and industry practices across the state. The measure's supporters hope it will set a precedent for transparent fee practices in other sectors, while critics remain wary of its potential to complicate consumer decision-making in an already complex marketplace.